I'm going to take one and open it up and show you what it looks like. Look at that. Oh yeah. Today I'm going to show you how to make corn fritters. To begin, take a large pot and add some oil to it, about an inch, inch and a half deep, and set the burner to medium high. We want to bring up the temp to between 350 and 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 to 180 Celsius. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour here, also known as plain flour in other parts of the world, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I have 3 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, and you could reduce that according to your taste. I like them on the sweet side. We'll whisk that together. Also, the corn will be sweet as well. Just depends on how you like yours. There's no wrong way to do this. If you like it sweet, add the sugar. If you don't want it as sweet, reduce the sugar. Simple as that. In a large bowl, we will add 1 egg, and we'll just give that a little whisk. Okay. Pour in 1/2 cup of milk. I am using whole milk, but you can use 1%, 2%. You can even use almond milk if you are lactose intolerant. And then I have 1 tablespoon of butter here, or you could use oil. And I'm going to melt this. I'm just going to do it in the microwave for 13, 18, 20 seconds, something like that, until it melts. And I'm going to add the butter to the egg and milk mixture. Give this a good whisk. Fantastic. And then I'm going to take the flour mixture and just add that all in. And at this point, I am going to switch to a spoon. You can use a wooden spoon, silicone spoon. Nice. And so that's kind of what we want. Like, we don't want the batter to be really runny. And then add in our corn. And this is a 15-ounce can of whole kernel corn. Canned corn is really easy to do, especially if you have it in your pantry, like as food storage. This is a great way to use that food storage corn. Now let's mix that corn in there. I like to have a lot of corn in mine. All right, until it's mixed together like this. Now let's head over to the stovetop and the hot oil. So I'm just gonna take a scoop here with 2 spoons, and we'll just put that in like that. Another method, instead of deep frying like this, is to use a skillet and flatten them out so it looks almost like a fried pancake. And I don't want to overcrowd these. This oil is a little warm, and the oil will cool down as we cook more of them. I'm just going to get like a spider ladle and just turn these over, look nice golden brown. You could also use tongs. And we'll just cook these until they're lightly golden brown. And then when they're nice and brown, we'll just scoop them out. So look at that. I can go a little bit more, but even that's probably okay. And then just put it on a plate lined with paper towel. All right, and now they're ready to eat. Some people will pour some maple syrup on these and eat them that way. Some people will serve them as a side dish with like dinner or whatever. Totally up to you, and some people just eat them as a snack on their own, plain. Eat them however you want. I'm going to take one and open it up and show you what it looks like. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yummy.